Good morning, siblings out there watching YouTube. I hope you are doing well and that everything you need is happening for you. I know these are really difficult times for a lot of people, and so how we're all handling it is probably varying. Today, I've got a bit of a project to do, but I've also, like everyone else on this planet, got a lot on my mind as well. So this video is supposed to be a follow-up to the Aldi greenhouse year 2. So we packed up all of our Aldi greenhouse materials last year, and I'm bringing them out this morning, and I'm trying to set it up for its second year of use. Now, last year the greenhouse served very well for hardening off plants and as storage as the weather was changing. One of the upsides to how it worked is it was so lightweight and flexible that the wind didn't batter it about too much. It just kind of bent, and then as long as I checked on it every once in a while to make sure the parts didn't come apart, it worked just perfectly well. One of the downsides is we did have a pretty significant windstorm, and a hole was poked in, but it was patched very easily with a little clear tape. Putting it together was a bit of a downside. So today I'm putting it together with no directions, and you know what? I don't even remember how it went together, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm going year 2 on an Aldi greenhouse, and this here is me putting it together. Enjoy. Pieces appear to be bent and not too severely, so this is probably good news. I have absolutely no idea if all of the pieces are there, and this might be something where the construction of the entirety relies on every part being present. So let's see how this goes.